guys, welcome back to my channel, Crown of Curls. I am so excited because I was chosen to be a brand ambassador for the Main Choice, which is my favorite hair care company on the planet. Today I'm going to be using the Do It For The Culture collection, and this collection is powered by black cumin and black charcoal to eliminate impurities from your hair and your scalp, to leave your hair feeling feather light, and to provide brilliant shine, which it did. Like, look at my twist. Like, what? And it definitely left my hair feeling feather light because stiff wear. So anyway, let's get into this collection. So the shampoo definitely cleansed my hair. It did not strip my hair. My hair did not feel dry afterwards, but it definitely felt clean. Probably is my favorite product, like top one. I like the whole line, but my top one product out of this whole line is the conditioner because it has so much slip, which I really appreciate because I'm going through postpartum shedding again, and I have to be really gentle on my hair. But when I was working it through my hair, like, it just like melted in my hair, and I really appreciated that. The leave-in conditioner I also liked, but one thing I want to say about this collection, and really all of the Main Choice collections, is that a little goes a long way, and I appreciate that too, because I know a lot of people talk about, like, oh, you know, it's more expensive than other brands. Yes, I get that, but I mean, you get what you pay for. But you are able to stretch out the product so much longer because you don't have to be heavy-handed on it. So if you guys decide to try this, keep that in mind. Don't go overboard. I'm usually heavy-handed with products, and I had to learn it the hard way. A little goes a long way. So with the gel, I really like the gel. Again, if you use too much, it can get sticky. But if you just add some water, then you'll be able to work it through your hair. You only need a little bit. I used like a little bit on the tip of my finger just to work around the perimeter of my twist, and then like a little bit on the tips of my other fingers just to kind of like work through the entire section when I was twisting, so that I would have even definition throughout it all because my hair was blown out. And yeah, so I really like the gel because the gel definitely did leave my hair shiny. It did not weigh my hair down. My hair has so much movement, and this is on top of stretched hair. So the sheen, I really appreciate the sheen because it too is lightweight, and it was able to help me combat frizz or to prevent frizz when I was taking down my twist in the back. As you can see, I just sprayed a little bit on my hands, on my fingertips as I was taking it down. I did not have to apply any more because the gel already provides so much shine. But yeah, let me know if you guys decide to try this collection out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. This hairstyle is definitely out of the box for me. Ever since I cut my hair in a taper cut last year, I usually just do wash and goes, but blowing my hair out, first of all, I was able to see how much my hair has grown, and that is because I only use the Main Choice. Literally, that is all I use in my hair. I use all the collections, but I only use the Main Choice. And I don't take any vitamins or anything. I just use the products, and my hair has grown out, and it's healthy. And even though I'm going through postpartum shedding, which is not anything that I can prevent, it helps to maintain the health of my hair while I'm going through that. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys decided to try it too. Let me know if you do decide to try it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.